Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you delete your ShopPay account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your shop application at very first, and after opening the shop application, you just simply have to tap to your profile icon into the top right corner. Tap there, and after that tap to settings. Now after going into settings, simply select data and privacy. Tap to data and privacy and you will get the option of delete account. Tap to delete account, and now in order to confirm your deletion, just simply tap to delete account again. And now in order to confirm, tap to this red delete account button again. And after doing this final step, your account will be gone forever. This way, you can easily delete your account of ShopPay. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.